Are you faced with delays in labeling? Do bottlenecks with IT make it difficult to update labels? Are you challenged to meet customer demands? What if you could speed up your label changes from weeks to hours or even minutes? What if there was an SAP certified solution that was designed to easily integrate barcode labeling and RFID with S/4HANA? Modernize factory and warehouse labeling when you automate labeling across your supply chain with Loftware, a solution designed to integrate with any SAP landscape. No need to update hundreds of label templates, instead manage a smaller set of templates that can address a wide range of complex label variations, saving you time and effort. No more concern around shipping delays, product launch disruptions, or customer dissatisfaction. You can empower business users to make label changes and eliminate the burden on IT. Say goodbye to manual processes. Instead, gain access to SAP and other master data sources to enable compliance and avoid costly recalls and fines. With Loftware, stay ahead of the competitions by streamlining your operations with accurate, consistent, and compliant labeling.